A simple problem in limits and continuity. If alpha is a repeated root of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then limit sine of ax squared plus bx plus c divided by x minus alpha squared equals. So if you have seen my previous videos, the one thing I reiterate again and again when it comes to limits is that immediately, whatever be the case, apply the limit. Let's see what happens. So in this case, when we apply it, we know that a alpha squared plus b alpha plus c is 0, so sine of 0 divided by 0, so 0 by 0. So immediately what comes to mind? The Hospital's rule. This is it. And you can apply the Hospital's rule any number of times. Okay, so there are two things we prepare ourselves before. So we know that ax squared plus bx plus c equal to x minus alpha squared because it's a repeated root and it's a quadratic equation. So we differentiate, and then at x equal to alpha, let's reduce it, and at x equal to alpha you get 2a alpha plus b equal to 0. Just simple differentiation, 2ax plus b equal to 2 times x minus alpha. At x equal to alpha, you get 2a alpha plus b equal to 0. We'll just use it for the next step. Okay, so now let's get to the limits and differentiate. So once you differentiate once, you get 2ax plus b cos of ax squared plus 2ax plus b cos of ax squared plus bx plus c divided by 2 times x minus alpha. But we use the above step to say 2a alpha plus b equal to 0 at x equal to alpha. And so the denominator is again 0. So we get a 0 by 0. So let us again apply the Hospital's rule. 2a cos of something minus 2ax plus b square, because you're going to get 2ax plus b from differentiating ax squared plus bx plus c. And then there's another one already outside. And then differentiation of cos is minus sine. So hence you get that. So now you can do these things now in a CBSE examination situation or in a longer terms, exam, right? You can do this extra step and you will be rewarded for that. But in a multiple choice question in exams like JEEMAIN, what you have to watch out is you should do certain things by mind. Like, all right, so I differentiated uv, right? So I differentiated I did du by dx times v. So I kept cos of ax squared plus bx plus c and differentiated 2ax plus b and got 2a. Fine. Now I'm going to differentiate the second term, which is now I'm going to do u dv, right? But then you immediately realize that you start saying that there are two things that is going for us. One is that 2a alpha plus b is 0. So whatever you differentiate, you're going to get that as 0, right? And then again, sine of ax squared plus bx plus c, but when you put alpha, sine a alpha squared plus b alpha plus c. So you don't even need to differentiate when you do it, if you know what you're doing. 2a alpha plus b is 0 is the key thing. So you don't need to have done the second term. So you kept the first term. And now you know cos of 0 is 1, 2a by 2, so you end up with a. So you could do it faster by eliminating unnecessarily trying to do 2a plus b square. Am I doing it right? All those stuff. The key here is saving time. You add up 15 seconds for every question, you will suddenly have 15 extra minutes, 20 extra minutes. That is the key, because you will have to use it for difficult problems. So in such problems, 2 times law Hospital's rule, cos of something is sine, but then that is 0 because 2 ways. So don't even differentiate that. Then use the first term and you're set. So hence the answer is D.